Let's learn how to achieve Asoke Gele head wrap.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. Yes, so another Gele head wrap, my people. Yes, so this material I have here with me today is Asoke. This one is what we call real Yoruba Asoke. This one is the good one. Oh yes, so this material, the length is 90 and the wideness is into 3 joining. The more you have more joining, 4 5 joining, you can do more big head, any side big one. Okay, today we are going to achieve V for front, and I'm going to create a Rufus V for front. If you want to do V, you divide the length 40 60. The shorter side is the 40, the longer side is the 60. Now 60 are the pleat, so you give it to your customer for her to hold it for you. Now you pick the first, you first put the ear down as you do the first crossing. Now the 40 that is coming from the other side, you will now use it to cover your this part, the ear part for this side of it. Okay, my people, it's very easy. Focus your eye on my hand. Now concentration, now you need. Just concentrate your eye. You will learn 1 or 2 things. She is here she want to do a photo shoot, for a birthday photo shoot. Yes, so my people, these days I don't record video, my makeup video, because I observe say my people, now only Gele I like to dey wash. So now make me not devote the bother myself the record any of my makeup video. So we always do makeup off camera. In case you want to have your photo shoot, I base here in United Kingdom, London. We have here, we have studio for you. You feel come, you feel change 3 times, 4 times your birthday photo shoot, any type of photo shoot. We dey do many things. We dey do makeup. We dey tie Gele wey you dey wash. So we dey do bridal hair as well. We dey do okuku. We dey do everything. We dey say makeup. We dey say perfume. Oh my, oh more. Easy. Hey, in fact, that is why I'm Deck Beauty. All beauty feed we dey, my people. Yes, so my people, please, focus your eye on my hand. If you want to know more explanation of all I do, all my tutorial makeup video, especially if you want to do one for your face, makeup, how to apply makeup on your face, how to do Gele for your head by yourself, come to my second YouTube channel. In case you dey watch me for YouTube, I have 2 YouTube channel. The other one we do explanation, chronic explanation, my people. So the YouTube name will be on the description box. Is Deck Beauty Life. The other of my YouTube name is Deck Beauty Life, and I have another Facebook as well, Deck Beauty Life. I always do live stream for the Deck Beauty, because for more explanation of anything we want teach people, we want learn. If you dey hurry, no come. Okay, right now, by the time you create the Rufus, the V for front, now we are now working on the 60. You take first 3 pleats, you go pin her for the side. Not go pin her after the ear, just pin her for before the ear. You see the way I take pin her. Now we are going to create round from the beginning. Then now, once you reach the middle of the head, then you start creating Rufus. You see the way I take fold down, start to do Rufus. I been want to do big Rufus for her. She was telling me that she don't like something big. She likes something small. So we give it to our customer the way they want it. If you want to do Rufus small, if you are in this stage, you do more of the Rufus seat. Rufus, this thing they confuse me. The way they talk. So what we are trying, see the way I said excuse it for the middle, you pin it at the top. You squeeze. The more you squeeze it, you press it, then the tag will be small. But if you don't want to, if you want it big, don't Rufus it, like don't press it. Just Rufus the inside and use pin any area we need pin. So I'm trying to bring it down for her. Because she insists that the Gele must dey small. She don't like big something. You understand, my people? So any hairstyle wey you want for your photo shoot, my people, show me the picture. If you have the material, I go do one for you. My people, in case you want to learn one-on-one makeup, Gele, anyone, if you dey base for United Kingdom, London, come and meet me. But if you dey stay outside the country, you better just stick to. If you dey stay outside England, if you no fit come meet me, just dey watch my videos. You go dey catch up for on my online class, the way I dey teach people for Facebook and YouTube. Okay, my people, now so we see am. So the one that is extra for back, I still use it as well to create the beauty for the front. Okay, my people, thank you everyone. Don't forget to leave your comment down below for me. Subscribe. Call me for your event. I'm available to travel worldwide. Yes, so call me for any of your event ceremony. I am available. I will give it to you the way you want it. So people like natural makeup. So people like in between. So people like loud. So people like big Gele. So people like small Gele. So people like simple. So people like natural. Anyone you want, I will give it to you the way you want it. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So this year, January, we are still in January. In case you don't have anything you are doing, think auntie, think sister. I know say now women, they always watch me. So think, start up something may you do. If you watch me for YouTube, there is a video I drop on my Facebook that I teach them how to make money for Facebook, how to make money for YouTube. So go to my Facebook, page, Deg Beauty. The video there, how to make money for Facebook and YouTube. The video is on my Facebook. Go and watch that video. I will upload that video this evening. Okay, thank you everyone. This is the final. We are done. Yes, let me show you a picture. Yes, that is her. Yes, my people. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye. She is happy. Bye.
Gele to be tight.
Deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy,
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specializing makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specializing traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a